Our demands are too weak. I'm sorry. Because at the end of it, when I read the demands, the 5 for 5, you see, because that's why I reached out in the beginning. But for some reason, nobody reached out to me again. They only said, they just started sending me communiques of what they've decided. And me, I carry people along. I don't drag people along. So nobody can drag me along on anything. So that's a no-no for me. Don't drag me along. Kushele. Can't happen. You have to carry me along. Because we, the people of Nigeria, we have already stopped police brutality. We have stopped it because I don't believe that Nigerian people will stand outside again and watch any policeman brutalize anybody on the streets. I talk out for the protest. We go beat you. Oha. We will beat you up. We've ended that. So what I'm saying basically is that we are fighting for police to live better life. So there are two things about that is just bullshit that cannot even happen. You understand? One is that police people are adults. Army are adults. All these security forces, they are adults, grown-up men and women. If you are working in a company and you don't like the company, you can quit and you can strike. And if you don't want to quit or strike, you can also join this protest by yourself to let them know you are not happy. It is not the duty of Nigerian people to fight for police to have better salary. If police don't like their salary and their welfare, let them strike and protest. What are we talking here? Who is fighting for police to have better salary? Yala your salary police. You know, now SARS police brutality from start for this country. Now SARS bomb my papa house. Listen, that must change. My father told me, and I held it. He said the day they were burning his house and beating him and all his wives to nearly death. He said 60,000 Nigerians, 60,000 of you people surrounded the thing and were watching. Nobody did anything. And that's what we are changing now. Who is fighting for police to have better salary? Let them fight for themselves. They are adults. We are fighting for ourselves. Let them fight for themselves. Which kind of police welfare? You know better for police welfare? If police don't like in welfare, strike, join protest. You are adults. You can't play both sides this time. No playing on both sides. Which kind of movement, which kind of demand be that one? Secondly, increasing police salary will not stop police corruption. Let me repeat it if you cannot hear it, if you are at the back. Increasing police salary will never stop police corruption. This thing is starting to sound like and look like to me like some people are only trying to stop the thing that is affecting them in police. Okay? Because SARS now they beat people with their Benz. You believe say your Benz don't elevate you past poor man. You're not supposed to face police brutality. So SARS they brutalize you. Now that will concern you for the problem of Nigeria. Because that's what I'm hearing. You are negotiating with police. That's what I'm hearing. No, this is not about that. This is about all those things about police that affect all of us. As police, as SARS, they collect person we get Benz. That's what area boy every day when they work for NURTW. They collect money for market woman every day. Okada rider hand every day. Bus drivers hand every day. Conductors hand every day. School children hand every day. Everybody is being extorted at every level in this country every day. Small children, they put load for their head. Their parents, they extort them. And they go, they work for streets every day. Higher salary cannot end corruption in police. If money they stop corruption, why our politicians still the thief? If more money is the solution to corruption, is there supposed to be one single criminal in Nigerian politics? Answer that question before you are making useless demands. So nobody can drag me along. Even though we are only 100 that will come to my own rally. Let's be the 100 that want to do something serious. Let us be, if it's only 20 of us, let's be the 20 that want to politicize this movement for the people. Because what I'm hearing here is a negotiation between elites. That's what I'm seeing here. A negotiation between political elites and social elites. This is what I'm seeing here. I beg, this is not about Buhari must go. This is about ending oppression. If Buhari go, who you want to put there when they go continue rubbish? People never even be like Buhari, they're already oppressing everybody.